video column. And this week I have another special guest with me. I have Louis. Louis, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hola, mi nombre es Luis Torres, soy de El Paso, Texas. He estado con Larry ya poquito más de un año.
Awesome, awesome. And we've just spent the week together here in wonderful Billings, Montana. And Louis wanted to be on Ask Anissa and ask a question for everyone. So go ahead, Louis.
Ok, Anissa, mi pregunta es a una persona que ha tenido un incendio y quiere ser parte de la restauración y limpiar sus contenidos ellos mismos. ¿Qué consejo tú les darías o si recomiendas que ellos lo hagan solos?
Oh, that's a good one. So we run across this a lot. Oftentimes, we can basically in a nutshell, you want to talk your client out of it. Okay, it's really important that on a fire job, everything gets handled right, step by step, and just so, and we don't miss any steps. And sometimes what I find in these circumstances, you'll have one or two things happening. Either your homeowner doesn't have enough insurance, so they're freaked out about owing a bunch of money,
Right.
or maybe they're just overwhelmed. I mean, they're standing there, Louis, and their bedroom looks like your shirt, the color of your shirt. They're like, I've got to do something. I've got to be in some control. I need to handle this situation for myself. So this is where your job as the fire restoration specialist comes in, so that you educate them on the process and help them to come to the conclusion that they should just let you handle it. That you should be the expert that they bring in to just handle the process for them. Like, we don't want to say, like, I would say, hey, Louis, no, this is your stuff, but you can't touch it. Let me do all of it. Like, we don't want to come in like a bulldozer, but they really don't know what they need, right? They know what they want. They want their house back to normal, but they really don't know what they need. So it's our job to educate them and get them to let us handle the whole job. There might be a piece here or there that you could let them do, but I strongly discourage it. We want to handle from A to Z, so we know that none of the steps are missed, and we know that that's what's best for them, right?
Wow, yes.
So hopefully that answered your question. Does that kind
Definitely.
of
Thank
hit
you.
the nail on the
Appreciate it.
head?
Yes, ma'am,
You're
you did.
welcome. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for being on Ask Anissa with me as well. And I want to thank you. You guys know how much I value your time, and I thank you spending it with us, watching the video. Hopefully Louis' question resonated with you, and maybe that will help you out someday on a job. All right, you know what to do. Send me them questions, Anissa@firehouseeducation.com, and be a super cool kid. Go on over to rnrmagonline.com if you haven't already. Subscribe to the magazine, and yeah, you'll get this and lots of other email goodies in your inbox every Friday. On that note, Louis and I will see you maybe on another video down the road.
Hasta la próxima.